Welcome to this exceptional, custom-built, one-owner home. With 2 covered cedar decks, it's thoughtfully designed and located in a sought-after West Linn neighborhood with picturesque Mount Hood and territorial views. This stunning home feels like true luxury from the moment you enter. It features fine craftsmanship, beautiful millwork, and engineered hardwood flooring. The open concept floor plan makes it easy to entertain. The gourmet kitchen features a large island with bar seating, granite counters, elegant lighting, a stylish backsplash, gas cooktop, and a walk-in pantry. From here, head out to the covered deck, where you can take in the views. And you'll find a main floor office. On the upper level, double doors open to the vaulted master suite. Enjoy the luxurious master bath with a large shower and a freestanding soaking tub. The spacious bonus room doubles as a 5th bedroom in this home of more than 3,900 square feet. The lower level features its own living area, bedroom, and a full bath. The second covered deck is also ready for year-round entertaining. A spectacular home in a fantastic West Linn neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Scott Foster with Premier Property Group at 503-860-9318.